Hey everybody, Midwest Picker here. I'm sharing screen time with Joey, my sidekick. You guys have been asking to see him. I'm not really sure why, but I asked him if he wanted to be in this video and he said yes, so he's just going to sit here and be quiet. So, eBay glitches. These are not a new problem. Just a quick search on Google or YouTube for eBay glitches, eBay problems. You're going to find a ton of stuff. A lot of it is outdated information because eBay is pretty quick to fix these issues, but there's always something that seems to be glitching. It can be regional, it can be national, or it can be global. eBay's website is kind of old and outdated, and if you talk to any eBay reps, they'll tell you there's millions of lines of code and it's just so difficult to fix it. Stick around to the second half of this video and I'm going to show you how to recover accidentally deleted listings on your eBay account. So yesterday I made several listings on my eBay store, about 6 of them for shop manuals, catalogs, magazines. Here's an example here. Not big sellers, but this is just a shop manual, a catalog, and this magazine. Everything was going well. But to my absolute horror, only 4 things showed up. I was like, 4? I just listed 6. For 2 items, that Mustang magazine and that Daco catalog, I even got the pop-up saying your listing is live, and I clicked done. I thought I was golden. But when I checked my active listings on my seller dashboard, those 2 things were not there. They were gone. Now, to make matters even weirder, I get email notifications from eBay when I sell something, when I revise something, when I list something, and I checked my email and it was a little weird. So for this magazine, even though it said your listing is live and I clicked done, I got no email notification that it was listed. For this parts catalog, I got the pop-up, your item is live, and I clicked done, and I got an email saying it was listed. Frustrating, I know. It's not the end of the world, no big deal. I just have to recreate these 2 listings from scratch. But where did the listings go? They seemed to like vaporize. It was so weird. The Daco parts catalog, that original listing, not the second one, but the original one, it's out there somewhere in the astral plane, in the spiritual world, just floating around. Watch this quick screen recording I made of my desktop and I'll explain to you what it looked like. Okay, so here's my email showing my email notifications. Whenever I make a new listing, I get an email notification. So this one right here, Daco 1996 manual, service manual, whatever, is listed. So this one down here is the ghost that no longer exists, but I did get an email notification from eBay. Your Daco manual 1996 is listed. So thank goodness I changed the title a little bit so I could tell the difference between the 2. But when I open the email and click the link, this is what I see. This one is the ghost. You cannot do anything with this one. You can see this. It appears to be in eBay. It's like, you know, buy it now, blah, blah, blah. This is my listing. This one is the real one, Daco 1996 manual. So this one's real and is on eBay, which I'll show you in a second. This one is a ghost. This does not exist. It just went poof in the internet somewhere. So here's my eBay hub or dashboard, my listings, my active listings, and I did a search, item titled Daco, and you can see the only one that shows up is the Daco 1996 manual. The other one, this ghost here, that doesn't show up at all, but this one does. So I'm not sure what's going on with eBay. There's this weird glitch going on. Things just vaporize. This one here, this Hot Rod magazine, Hot Rod Mustang Edition magazine, I had to do that one twice. So the original one is completely gone. I mean, it just doesn't exist. The email never came through. So this is the second iteration. But this ghost one did come through on my email. Not a big deal, not the end of the world. It's just strange, and I can show you here. This ghost email. So you click, David, your listing is live. Well, actually it's not. I'll click it again to show you, and here it comes up. And this does not exist. But when you click the link in the email, it appears to exist. I can even click revise my listing. It's very strange that this does not exist, but this one does. So that's just a screenshot of what I was talking about. eBay has just been glitching like crazy. So both items I had to recreate, no big deal, but that original Deco parts catalog listing, that's kind of creepy. It's there, but it's not there. Kind of like Joey's brain. It's there, but it's not there. That weird, bizarre glitch could be my internet. Maybe my internet glitched out for 2 seconds and dropped, so it was kind of there and not there. I don't know. Could be just another of the many eBay glitches. Here is a current list of eBay glitches as of September 6. Packing slip issues, shipping page issues, photo scrolling issues. Let me know if you've noticed any current eBay glitches as of September 7, 2024. Put it down in the comment section. I'd love to hear about it. Look out for that. And have you ever had a ghost listing where eBay said, yep, it's live, it's right there, but then it's not there? I'd like to hear if that's been happening to you too. While I'm thinking about it, please hit that thumbs up button, and if you're not subscribed, hit that subscribe button and the bell icon. That way when I upload a new video or go live, you get a notification. Okay, now how to recover accidentally deleted items on eBay. Why did I think of this subject? Because I actually did this morning. I accidentally deleted 29 listings. I was doing the very familiar end and sell similar to refresh the listing and get better sales, and instead of selling them or sell similar, I accidentally deleted them all. Poof, gone. 29 listings were toast. If you accidentally deleted any of your listings, one or more, don't panic. You come to the right place. I'm going to show you how to recover those, and you can relist them or sell similar. These listings are not gone. Deleted sounds like deleted, but it's not. It's actually just moved, and that's how the eBay website works. So step number 1, go to advanced search, and here's a photo. You're going to go to the far top right corner of your screen. There's a big blue button that says search. You're going to click advanced search. Step number 2, scroll down just a little bit and select completed items. Not sold, just the completed items. Step 3, scroll down even further and select search by seller. Here you're going to enter your seller ID in this little search window. Step 4 is leave the search window at the top of the page completely blank. Then you're just going to hit search, and boom, there are your supposedly deleted listings. How cool is that? I mean, this is just so easy. Here's a picture of my deleted items. There's 29, but this is just 2, and this is what it will look like. So unfortunately, you have to click one at a time, but it is much faster than just recreating the whole listing. You can't select them all, but you can select one at a time. Here's an example of mine. And when you click on one, it will look like this. You have the option to relist or sell similar. I choose sell similar, and boom, look at that. The original photos are there. That is awesome. You don't have to take photos. You don't have to do anything. Now you just make sure all of the information is correct, and you scroll to the bottom and you click list, and then you'll get this familiar pop-up saying that your listing is live again. eBay considers deleted, sold, and ended as completed. That might change in the future, but for now, that's how eBay runs their website. Nothing is really actually deleted. So that's the video, guys. If you're watching this in the future, 2-3 years into the future, and this doesn't work anymore, please let me know down in the comments. My email is in the description below the video. Shoot me the problem. I deleted my listings and this method doesn't work anymore. I'll try to walk you through it. Maybe together we can figure out the new way to do it. So until next time, see ya.